Hello, grade 10s, and welcome to another mathematics lesson. This one falls under the topic of area and perimeter of 2D shapes. But specifically, we're going to be looking at the area and perimeter of parallelograms. Here we go. So, the important information that you need to know, the formula for calculating the area of a parallelogram is A is equal to BH, or A is equal to B times H, where B is the base and H is the perpendicular height, right? And the formula for calculating the perimeter of a parallelogram is P is equal to 2 open bracket A plus B, where A is the other side and B is the base. I hope that makes sense. Please take these down. I modified them from seavola.com. So number 1 states, find the area and perimeter of the following parallelograms. 1.1, we have that parallelogram, right? So this is the base, 18 meters, perpendicular height 8 meters, and then other side 10 meters, right? So area, base times perpendicular height. What is the base? 18 meters. Perpendicular height is 8 meters. So the area is 144 square meters, right? Perimeter is 2a plus b. A 10 meters, B is 18 meters. Two times 28 meters, which is 56 meters. I hope that wasn't too hard. 1.2, you have parallelogram A, B, C, D, right? Okay, we need to make sense. So the base is CE plus ED. $20 millimeters plus 5 millimeters, which is 25 millimeters. Okay, the height is AE, 12 millimeters. So we can start with the area, base times height. What is the base? It's 25 millimeters. What is the height? 12 millimeters. (300 square millimeters). To calculate the perimeter, we need the other side, which is either AD or BC, right? However, if this is a right angle, this is also a right angle, and we have this side and this side, right? So AE squared plus ED squared, or we can just say AD squared, is equal to AE squared plus ED squared. This is the Pythagoras theorem. What is AE? 12 squared plus, what is ED? 5. So it's 144 millimeters squared plus 5 millimeter squared. This is 169 millimeters squared. So AD is square root of 169 millimeter squared. AD is 13 millimeters. Okay, now to calculate, I ran out of space, right? The perimeter is 2 open bracket A plus B, which is 2. A, we just got it, it's 13 millimeters, plus the base is 25 millimeters. .38 millimeters. So the perimeter is 76 millimeters. I hope that made sense. It's just me who ran out of space. Please forgive me. So 1.3, you have that parallelogram. This side is 32 centimeters, this side is 17 centimeters, and this side is 15 centimeters. So once again, start with the base. It's 32. If this is 32, this is also 32. Perpendicular height, it's 15 centimeters. And on the other side, A is 17 centimeters. So formula is important. Area is base times perpendicular height, which is 32 centimeters. Perpendicular height is 15 centimeters. So area is 480 square centimeters, right? Perimeter is 2. What is A? 17 centimeters. What is B? 32. So it's going to be 2. 17 plus 32 is 49. So the perimeter is 2 times 49 is 98 centimeters. I hope that made sense. So 1.4, you have parallelogram FGHI, right? You have, then you have IJ is 12 kilometers, HI is 37 kilometers, GH is 45 kilometers. So the base is GH, which is 45 kilometers. We don't have the perpendicular height, but from the diagram it's HJ or JH. A, which is the other side, it's HI, which is 37 kilometers. Okay, so we need to find the perpendicular height, right? This is 90 degrees, this is also 90 degrees, because FJI is a straight line. Remember, we're dealing with parallelograms. So it is going to be JI squared plus JH squared is equal to HI squared. JI is 12 kilometers squared plus JH is the height. Don't forget squared. What's HI? 37 kilometers squared. 12 squared is 144 kilometer squared plus h squared is equal to 37 squared is 1369 square kilometers. H squared is equal to 1369 square kilometers minus 144 square kilometers. 1225 square kilometers. So H is square root of 1225. H is 35 kilometers. Right? Now we can calculate the area. So base times height. What is the base? 45 kilometers. What is the height? 35 kilometers. (1,575 square kilometers). Once more I ran out of space. Please forgive me. Calculate the perimeter. So perimeter is 2a plus b, which is 2. What is a? It is 37 kilometers. What is b, which is the base? 45 kilometers. So it's 2 times 82. So 2 times 82 is 164 kilometers. That's the perimeter of parallelogram FGHI. I hope that wasn't too challenging. (1.5) we have that parallelogram, right? Base is 100 meters. Perpendicular height is 16 meters. Other side is 60 meters, right? So the base is 100 meters. Perpendicular height is 16 meters. And then A is 60 meters. Base times perpendicular height. What is the base? 100. Perpendicular height is 16. So the area is 1,600 square meters. Perimeter is 2 open bracket A plus B. What is A? 60. B is 100. So 2 times 160 meters. So the perimeter is 2 times 160 is 320 meters. I hope that makes sense. 1.6, we have parallelogram JKLM, right? So here the base is Jn plus Nm. Right? Perpendicular height is Ln or NL, which is 45 millimeters. And the other side is Lm, which is 53 millimeters. So we need the base because we have Jn, which is 140 millimeters. We don't have Nm, right? So this is already a right angled triangle. So in triangle, LMN is going to be Ln squared plus Nm squared is equal to Lm squared. What's Lm? You don't have it. It's the height. Oh, we have Ln. Sorry, it's the height, which is 45. We don't have Nm. What's Lm? 53. Two 809. So Nm squared is 2809 784 mm squared. So Nm is equal to the square root of 784. So Nm is 28 millimeters. So area is equal to base times height. That is the base. Jn plus Nm. So it's 140 plus Nm is 28. What is the height? 45 millimeters. So it's 168, 45. (7,560) square millimeters. Once again, I ran out of space. So the perimeter is 2 open bracket A plus B, right? A, which is the other side, it's 53. B is the base, 140 plus 28, 168. Once again, forgive me, I ran out of space, so I'll have to separate it. 153 plus 168 is 2 times 221 millimeters. My mistake. So it's 442 millimeters. Right, I hope that wasn't too challenging. It's just my space issue as usual. However, if you found this helpful in any way, please click the like button and subscribe for more content. The next part of area and primitive parallelograms that I modify will either be from past papers or from the Via Africa study guide. Thank you very much. I hope to see you again.